Welcome back to our video series to help you create a high converting Shopify store with PageFly. In today's video, you'll learn how to create a brand new homepage from scratch for your Shopify store with PageFly. So the first thing we want to do is head over to the PageFly dashboard. Once you're here, go ahead and click on Create a Page, type in the page name, and then choose Homepage from the options below. Once you're done, go ahead and click Next. And for this video, we will choose a template from the template library. Let's go with Christine and click Next. Here we are in the PageFly editor, and this is your opportunity to adjust your page to your liking. We can simply add new elements in by dragging and dropping them, or we can delete elements and sections by clicking on it and pressing delete. Once you're happy with your homepage, go ahead and publish it. Doing so will automatically set this page as your homepage for your Shopify store. Once it's published, go ahead and click Live View to test your page in real time. And we can now see that the old homepage has been completely replaced by the new template. To remove this page as your homepage, come back to the PageFly dashboard, navigate to Home Pages, hit the three dots, and simply click on Publish. Another option is to choose your new homepage, and then click Make Default. Now, when we view the homepage, we can see that it has reverted back to the original. That is how you create and set a page as your homepage for your Shopify store with PageFly. Don't forget, you can always reach out on our 24/7 support line within the PageFly dashboard.